Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate your circle. First, let's define some key terms. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. The diameter is twice the radius, stretching across the circle through its center. We also use pi, a special number approximately equal to 3.14159, which is fundamental for all circle measurements. Understanding these basics is your first step. Now let's calculate the circumference, which is the distance around your circle. The formula is straightforward. Circumference equals pi multiplied by the diameter. If you only know the radius, simply use 2 times pi times the radius, since the diameter is twice the radius. For instance, a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters would have a circumference of approximately 31.4 centimeters. This measurement is useful for tasks like fencing a circular garden. Next, we'll determine the area of your circle, which is the amount of flat space it covers. The formula for area is pi multiplied by the radius squared. It's important to square the radius first, meaning you multiply the radius by itself, before multiplying by pi. For example, a circle with a radius of 3 meters would have an area of approximately 28.27 square meters. This calculation is vital for tasks like painting a circular surface. Calculating circle properties like circumference and area has many practical uses. Whether you're designing a circular table, planning a garden, or even working in engineering, these formulas are indispensable. Knowing how to find the distance around or the space within a circle empowers you to solve real-world problems efficiently. Keep practicing these simple formulas, and you'll master circle calculations in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.